In today's class, we are going to discuss how to download and install Tally Prime. Okay, so as we already discussed, so Tally is an accounting software, right? Tally is an accounting software. So we can download it directly from the website. So in Tally software, we have two versions. Basically, we have two versions in Tally software. One is single, that is silver edition, and second one is gold edition. So silver means single user, and gold means multi-user. Okay, gold means multi-user. At any point of time, if you install Tally silver license Tally, if you install in a system, if you reactivate in another system with the same license, then the previous one will get deactivated and the existing system license will be activated again. Okay, so at any point of time, the Tally software with silver edition, you can use only one computer, but for the gold version, it is a multi version, right? So you can connect unlimited number of systems. So number of systems you can connect, but the condition is those systems should be connected with the LAN network. Okay, if you have the LAN network, so you can connect number of systems for the gold edition. So now coming to the price. So what about the price? In the silver edition for single user, in the market it may be around 18,000 rupees plus GST. Okay, so GST will be 18%. So 18,000 rupees plus GST. For the gold version, I think it is around 55,000 rupees plus GST. Okay, suppose if you are not able to afford, if you have some project work for 2 months or 3 months, you no need to buy the software. You can get on rental also. Okay, you can get on rental also. For silver, it may be around 600 or something will be there. Okay, for gold version it will be around 2000 or something price will be there. You can check these prices over the website. We have Tally website, official website. In that website you can check the prices. This one I am not sure about this price, but this one will be around 600 plus GST. And okay, so we have two license, silver edition and gold edition. So it will be costing around 18,000 plus GST, 15,000 rupees plus GST. So at present the market Tally Prime is the version you will get from the website. So this is the latest version. So what you will be having in the Tally Prime. So before Tally Prime, you have Tally ERP9. Tally ERP9. So Tally ERP9 is completely different from Tally Prime. You have lot of changes. Even the look of the software is also changed a lot. Before, you can identify even if there are 100 systems also, if the Tally software is open in any one system, you can easily identify and tell, okay, in that system Tally software is open. The colors used to be like that in the Tally software, Tally ERP9. But now the Tally Prime, the software has been updated. Okay, so there is no similarities between Tally ERP9 and Tally Prime. Okay, even the color combination is different, some Windows operating is different, so everything will be different, but the theme is same. So creating the vouchers is same. Okay, creating the ledgers, working with Tally will be the same, but there is some easiness created by Tally Prime. Okay, so here depends upon the government regulations. Okay, the accounting software also need to be updated. For example, introduction of e-way bill. So e-way bill is mandatory if the goods are moving from one place to another place. if the invoice value is more than 50,000, right? So it is mandatory for generating the EWA bill. So what Tally is doing means it will be changed according to the government rules. So whenever there is a major update is there, so Tally company will be giving you small update in the name of versions. Okay, so Tally 2.0, Tally 3.0, 4.0 or some updates number will be there. Okay, based on this version number only you need to identify whether it is updated version or not. Okay, so now in the market we do have latest version as on today's date. Today date is I think August, right? So market latest version is 4.0. So Tally Prime 4.0. Now we need to understand how to download a Tally Prime website. How to download a Tally Prime software from the website and install it in the system. Okay, now let us go for it. So just go for the Google Chrome or any website or any browser. So directly if you open the Google, then you can find very easily. If there is any search engines, you may find difficult. So simply you can type Tally Prime download. Okay, so this is the first website you are getting right here. So directly you can go to that website. So see here, directly you got the Tally Prime release 4. Okay, just now it has updated. So you see 4.1. Now it has shown 4. Now it is showing 4.1. So Tally got updated to 4.1. There is some release may be there. So here you see new release 4.1. So now you need to download this Tally Prime software. Okay, Tally Prime software. See here you will be facing some problems. What happens, if you purchase some Tally software, this is the practical situations I am telling you. If you purchase license now, it will be valid for. If you purchase software today, it will be valid for 1 year. Okay, so during this 1 year, if there are any new updates, without paying any extra amount, you will receive those updates. Okay, but what about after 1 year? Even if you are not renewal the software also, you can use the software with the licensed version. That's not an issue, but you cannot get any updates from the Tally company. Okay, you can't get any updates. Suppose if you want to get the updates, definitely you need to renew your software. Here what happens now? Suppose you have 4.1 version new release, but few days back only your license got expired. Now will you get this update? No, you cannot get this update. Okay, and the second thing is what happens in the practical situation means, so you have some clients. We as an accounting firm, we do maintain a lot of company accounts, right? So clients may be using some outdated software, so below versions. Okay, maybe Tally 2.0 or 2.3, some versions they are using the Tally. Now here we have installed to the latest version 4.1. Okay, 4.1. Now what happens now? If they send the data relating to the Tally software version 2.0, that will be upgraded to the 4.1. Okay, if you change the data, and with the same 4.1 release, if you send back to your client or your customer, they cannot open in 2.0. So what I am telling is, if you are doing in the latest version, the same data you cannot open in the previous versions. Okay, what system do means, the data which you are using in 2.0, that will be automatically upgraded. Okay, that will be automatically upgraded to what? Automatically upgraded to latest version. So now here what we need to do. So that particular client, they don't have any you know what, version which is up to date. Their license has been expired. Now we cannot say for single file you just need to update your tally file and all, we cannot say. So what is the solution for this? So what we can do is, here in the website itself you will have some older versions, you know, tally from tally ERP 9 you have older versions, right? So here you can see the previous versions. So previous versions, if you click, so here you can find, wait, it will update, it's just loading now. So here you see, here you have previous versions, see 2.1, so 2.0, 2.0, 2.1, 3, 3.14. so these are the previous tally versions. Okay, you can just simply install from here the previous tally versions. Okay, you can install this and you can work with the client data. You can just send them and they can open in their software. So these are the things you need to identify while downloading the tally also. These are the practical situations you will face in the working environment. Okay, here we need to download it, right? So we are downloading the tally software. So here, so 4 version is there. Okay, no problem, let's download it. Here after downloading, after clicking the download, you will get some setup file. Okay, what happens? You can get one setup file. Based with that setup file, you can just install the tally software. Now you see, we have downloads, so it is downloaded. See, it's done. So if you open this, you will get some pop-up. Let's wait. You see here. So you have some pop-up, right? So do you want to allow this app to make changes? Yes. So very simple, guys. For installing tally is very simple. Now you see, so application path, it is asking for the application path. You need to be very careful while giving this path. Okay, why it is necessary to check the path? Because whatever the companies you are creating in the tally, those companies will be saved in this particular path. Okay, if you are using this C drive, what happens now? Suppose if you if there is any system crash, or if you are not if you are having problem with OS and all, first thing, the files which are in the C drive, those you cannot access. Okay, you cannot recover. So that's what we need to do is, we need to change the path. Okay, we need to change the path. Here simply you can go to the configurations. Okay, here you can change the path. Okay, here you can change the path simply. Clear? Here for the testing only, you know, I am just keeping in the C drive. So if you want to change the drive, you can go to the configurations and you can change the drive. Okay, simply just if you click on install, so tally will be installed in your computer. Okay, so if you have some keys, so licensed keys, you can just activate tally. And one more question, guys, for running the tally, for using the tally, do we need a internet? No, we don't require internet for using the tally. Just you require internet for activating it, that's it. When you activate the tally, you need internet. Once if it is get activated, then you no need of any internet. So start tally prime. So guys, you see our software is installed and tally prime is opening. So we have installed the latest version. If you want to go for the previous versions, some old versions I have shown you, right? You can go there and install it. So the same process. So see, here we can see the tally software. Okay, see, so we are accepting all these things here. So this is the first screen what you will be getting after installing and opening the tally prime. So guys, how to understand whether it is a trial version something educational mode or original version. Here you can find the corner. See here you can find the edu means what? Educational mode. Okay, educational mode. In this mode only you can use the Tally for learning purpose. If you want to do the real accounting, you need to upgrade it to the original version, right? So if it is a original version, single user, here you can see the silver. If it is a multi-user, you can see the gold here. Okay, so here if you want to activate the new license, if you have, you can go by this, or if you have already license activated, if you are just changing the system using in separate system, so you can click here. You can have your logins for every Tally. You have logins. If you have your logins, just mail ID and password will be there. If you just give that mail ID and password, your license will be activated and you can use the Tally. Or otherwise, if you want to use in educational mode, you can go by this. Try it for free as an educational. If you open this, your Tally will be getting activated and open. That's it. Okay. So see, so these are the companies already we have created in the Tally. So here, from here you can create the companies and you can use the Tally. Clear? So this is the way of downloading and installing the Tally Prime in your computer. Okay, clear guys? So if you have any doubts, you can just reach us through the website, or you can clarify your doubts in the doubts clarification section. Clear? Yeah, thank you.